Shannon's Big Rules One in Itchy Time. So today I received 2 dance folk advisories plus on here. Let's read this first, because you know what, I'm not going to do that. Let's just read this. Blah blah. Dance folk advisory for current location is in effect until December 12th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, another alert. Dance folk advisory is in effect for Bel Air, South Maryland to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for U.S. National Weather Service, whatever. Alright, guys, let's go see my weather. Let's go see my weather today. Oh my god, guys, on Friday, the level's gonna be 19 degrees Fahrenheit? Whoa. Let's go see what Celsius is at. What?
Are you doing weather because it's kind of foggy outside right now?
Yeah, I know, Dad. It is foggy. Yeah, that's right. It is foggy. Wow, -7 degrees Celsius. Wow, there's some really cold weather. Whoa, jeez. Look at all this, guys. Let's ask Siri if he knows what's the weather going to be on for December 22nd. That's some bad weather. Let's go see what... Alright, looks like tomorrow it will be partly cloudy, not bad. Of a high of 16 and a low of 4. I got on Celsius. Yeah, it couldn't be that cold out. If it was like -7 degrees Fahrenheit, we wouldn't go out. Oh well. So, well, Sunday, the high will be 60 and a low of 40. And I don't know why Bel Air and Forest Hill are a little colder than us. And the low will be 40. Monday will be raining, 44 degrees. And then the low will be 29. Tuesday will be partly cloudy. It will be 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Low. Thursday will be, Wednesday will be snowing. The high will be 34 and the low of 28. Ooh. Now, Thursday will be cold. Be partly cloudy. The high will be 34 and the low of 20. Wow, that's insane. Friday will be partly cloudy once again. Boring weather. High will be 36 and an incredible low of 19. I swear. This is like some crazy cold weather. In fact, Saturday will be cloudy, 38 and low of 26. Sunday will be high of 41 and low of 33, snowing. Monday will be raining, a high of 44 and a low of 35. Let's go check my wind speeds. I usually go to hourly and I find out what the wind speed is and like if it's cloudy. Yeah. And guys, on here it said after it was snowing, the highest wind speed was going to go up to 23 miles per hour. Let's see if it... Let me go check my internet. No. You know what? Let's just try this again without checking the internet. I don't want to show you my file's password. Because that's, come on. You know what? Yeah. Let's just ask Siri. Okay, let's finally wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, miss any of our videos. See you.